Hey guys, what's going on today? All right, today we're going to go over, I would like to go over email marketing. Any affiliate knows that probably their number one asset is their email list. And what your email list is pretty much whenever you go and sign up for something, you know, they always ask you for your name and your email. That's the same thing with affiliate marketing. If somebody opts into your funnel, we ask for your email address and your name. And once you enter that, it goes right into my auto emailer system, and therefore you are saved in Mailing Boss inside of what I use is Builderall. Builderall has the emailing system inside of its platform, unlike a few others like ClickFunnels. So I think ClickFunnels does now, but it's like super expensive. Builderall's is unlimited, so you can always keep adding to it. Okay, so first, what I want to do, this is going to be a pretty short video, but I have maybe about 600 subscribers now that I want to send a mass email to with some kind of offer that hopefully is going to help them or get them interested in other products other than just Builderall, which I promote. So that way you can always keep offering your email list other goods that they could hopefully make money with. So first of all, I'm going to go into my apps here. Go into Mailing Boss Autoresponder. All right, and then we want to go to Campaigns. And then we're going to go to Create New. All right, and from here we can name the campaign. I'm just going to name it Broadcast. This will be a broadcast email to my lists. Here, type of it's just a regular broadcast. I don't want to add any automation or autoresponder. It's just one single email that I'm sending out. So you go to the list here. It drops down all my lists that I have. And my biggest list, I think, is right here, 545 subscribers. So I'll add that one. Sequence, if you wanted to choose a sequence, it would be if I already had an email sequence set up, and then I would add the autoresponder on here so it could possibly just keep emailing them from 1 to 2 to all the way to 30 days. It would send email. But I don't like to do that. I like to switch up my emails from day to day. I don't want to just bombard my subscribers with emails. So this is my biggest email list here, but I do have some others that I ran. So I can add another list down here. List. This is a campaign I ran on Google Ads. This one has 12 subscribers. Okay, I want to add another one. Da, da, da. Traffic on demand. That's 3 subscribers. Like I said, all these subscribers I have captured them from other campaigns. Bum, 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 bum. This list I have 4 subscribers on. Eventually, I'll get this cleaned up, guys, and I'd like to have all of them on one list so I don't have to keep adding multiple lists on the bottom here. I just haven't got there yet. I've been a little busy just trying to promote and get everything else done. And then I got this one here with 15 subscribers. So let her do it for everybody I want to email. Then I'll just hit save and next. And here it takes you to the actual email field. This is where you'd want to fill in your field with your message to your subscribers list. But first, I need to go find them an offer or something I think they might like to purchase. So I don't know if you've heard of Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is a site for it has mostly all digital products, unlike ClickBank, where ClickBank is just full of health and fitness, food, all pretty much anything under the sun you can promote on ClickBank. Whereas Warrior Plus is more the digital side, digital marketing field. So you go down here, and these are all the offers they have. So when you're emailing your list, what I like to do, and I usually find out gets the best results, is try to keep this average sale here, which is the first sale, $18 or under. Once in a while, if it's a really good offer, I'll go over. And then obviously, you want to keep the refund rate low. Anything under 11% is what I go for. So this one here is 2%, that'd be good. And this here is 3 sales. This one has 3,000 plus sales. But also, if you look over here, this is the pulse rate, the heart. That means there's a lot of people already offering this product out to people. So there's high competition for this. So what I like to do is I go down to the bottom and I just go 2 or 3 pages in just to get away from all the competition and try to find offers there. See, these are getting lower competition rates here. This one here looks pretty good. And this guy, Brendan Mace, I've promoted his products before, and they're usually really good. So yeah, his looks pretty good. This has 7,500 sales. The first commission is $12.41. It only has a 2% refund rate. So I'd want to check this one out. So you just click on it here. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, then you can check his funnel map. And this is a good funnel map. It has yes, no's, yes, no's, yes, no's with upsells and downsells. So his funnel looks pretty good here, where it finally gets to the final sale. Funnel looks good. Let's check his commissions. Well, that can't be right. So yeah, here here you have the commissions. Looks like everything is 50%. So you usually want to go for 100% commission on the first, and which he usually is, which this kind of surprises me. So I probably want to do this one. But you get the picture. You always want to try to get 100% commission on your first sale. And then the upsells you can get from either 50% to, I've seen as high as 60% on a couple upsales, but 9 times out of 10, it's 50%. But as you see, is if someone keeps going through the funnel and buys upgrades, it can add up pretty quick. All right, so I'm just going to go to an offer that I'm already approved for. I just wanted to show you guys the list and what to look for on the list when you're going through offers. So I'm just going to go over here where you can show all offers, or I can show offers that I've already been approved for, which I'm going to do. I'm just, for time's sake, I'm just going to show you guys this. So this one here, I have sent to my email list before. Same guy, Brendan Mace, like I told you. And I've had really, really good results with it. So I'm going to just use this one. I'm already approved for it, so I don't have to ask approval from the vendor. This is the link here. I'll just copy that. Then I'll go back to my mailing boss system. Back here, and here's where you put the message. Hello, F name. What F name that is. It'll auto-populate the sender that you're sending it to. So if your name is Bob, it'll say hello, Bob, to the guy that you're sending your email to. Then you would just formulate something. I'm just gonna do this real quick. Can you believe this deal? Check it out now. Don't miss this opportunity. Obviously, I'd go a lot more into detail on this than I'd just say, click here to see this. You'd say thanks in your name. So just a quick, I'll just highlight this here. That's my call to action. Add a link. Then I would just paste the link I got from Warrior Plus. As you can see, it's there. Boom. And then I will highlight it again. You want to make it stand out, so you can change the font color. I'll do red just for this sake. And then we want to underline it. And then you would sign your name. Bottom. Tab. I could spell my own name. Obviously, the email would be a little longer than that, but just for the sake of this video, I'm keeping it nice and short with you. Then you come down here, hit save and next. Here you pick the title. You kind of want a catchy title to get them to open it. Don't miss this amazing moneymaker. Emoji here just for fun. Little fire. There we go. Fire always catches people's eyes, right? Save and next. Then you come here, and it says what time you like to send your email. Obviously, this is right now. It's instantly. But I always want to do email tests first. To make sure it formats right on your customer's phone, and to make sure it doesn't go to spam, obviously. So recipients, I'll just put my email here. Send. Oh, that's not my email. Oh yeah, that is. We'll send it to that email. What the heck? Oh no, that one. That's not my email. Hold on. Let's try that again. Send email test. I don't know why that one's up top. This is my email here. Just kidding. So there it's sent to email to my test email to my email. And if you come down here, you can check the spam score. The score is approximate. Anything under 5 is good. And this is a 1.2. So a 1.2 will definitely keep you out of the spam box, which is great. So I don't want to send this to them, but if I wanted to send this to my email list right now, I hit save and exit or save and activate, and boom, it'll send it right to the almost 600 people that I had selected at the beginning. And they would all get that email with that offer. And if I make a sale off it, Warrior Plus will notify me via email. One morning I woke up and I had about 4 sales off my email list, which was really, really cool. I made about $300 while I slept. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I wanted to cover is email marketing. There's a lot of money to be made in this. It takes a little time, obviously, to build up your email list, but once you do, a lot of the pros that have been doing this a long, long time have 10,000 people on their email list. And they say every one subscriber on your email list is worth $1. So, I mean, if you have 10,000 people on your email list, you should be able to get $10,000 in a month off your email list. Like I've heard of some gurus that have email lists where they click of an email, they make off of one email sent, they make $10,000. So that's the power of email marketing. That's what I'm aiming for. That's what I'm setting up my whole business around. And, email marketing is not going anywhere. Whereas I could be banned from Facebook tomorrow and I wouldn't have any contact with any of my customers. You know, let's be let's be real. I mean, you could be any social media could be taken away from you right now at any moment. I lost my picture there. I don't know why. If you found this video helpful, maybe give me a like, subscribe. I'll leave a link down below if you want to try the Builderall. You can sign up under me. I have a training program to help you get started. Like I said, Builderall is the best platform out there, all in one. I'm a little biased, but I did try ClickFunnels and I came to Builderall for a reason. All right, guys, till next time, take care.